On this forms of linear equations note sheet, let's take a look at parallel and perpendicular. Parallel and perpendicular slopes. So we know that slopes of parallel lines are the same. Slopes of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. So opposite, remember, one's positive, one's negative. Reciprocals means we need to flip the fraction. The numerator and the denominator switch places. So, if we're looking at examples here, I'm going to give you the slope of the first line, which is 2 over 9, and I want you to give me the second slope. So work on those two slopes. So the first one is parallel, so it's going to be exactly the same. So 2 over 9. The second one is perpendicular. So we need opposite reciprocals. So if this one is negative, this one has to be positive. We need to flip the fraction, but there isn't a fraction here, so we can make it a fraction. This is 3 over 1. All integers, or all whole numbers, can be divided by 1. So to flip that, it would be positive 1/3. Positive 1/3. So opposites, one positive, one negative. Reciprocal means flip the fraction. All right, let's do another example here. Let's do a line parallel to a line that has a slope of 3 over 4. And let's say it passes through the point 2, or 12, sorry, negative 2. 12, negative 2. Passes through 12, negative 2. So if it's parallel to this slope, 3 over 4, my new slope is going to be 3 over 4. And it goes through this point. So this is my x1, y1. So I'm going to write it in point slope form, which is y minus my y1, which is -2, but 2 negatives make a positive, equals same slope because we're parallel, parentheses, x minus my x1 value, which is 12. We could leave it like that, but let's convert it to slope-intercept form. So distribute, distribute. (3/4) times -12. Plug it into your calculator or a scientific calculator. You can use one on your calculator app, your phone app, desmos.com/scientific. We get 9. Then let's subtract 2. Subtract 2. So y equals 3 over 4x minus 11. So my slope here is 3/4 because it's parallel to this line, which is 3/4. My y-intercept was a -11. It's easy to graph when it's in slope-intercept form. Okay, so here are notes on parallel and perpendicular. Hopefully it's on the same sheet as your standard form notes, and you can use this on your quiz.